Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to redesign in the third trial the most latest concept from BMW, the XM. So let's start. In my first previous redesigns and in this one my aim was to keep the new design style and try out different proportions of graphical elements. I definitely think that the issue with the perception of this concept is in its missed proportions, as the elements in separation to the whole image are completely fine. My general orientation for this third redesign of the XM were again inspired by the BMW X7. The current X7 appears to me proportionally better adjusted and defined with all its surfacing and elements. Further, I create a rough sketch of my design ideas on a darker layer in Photoshop. As you can see, I tried to keep the edginess of the graphical shape on the lower front face. Moving towards upper face area, my main idea was to have splitted headlights and introduce the light bar above the kidney grille and main light unit. First, I designed the grille and main light unit as two separate elements, but through the process I discovered that the connection between grille and headlight would allow me to create visually more stronger theme. As in the original XM concept, the grille had an integrated light surrounding. Just imagine how cool would it be if this light surrounding could break up into sides and extend towards the side into daylight LED and lower main head beam. Later I decided to delete the upper light bar, as I already have integrated the light bar across the front face into the main lights. In terms of technique, I use Path Tool to achieve sharp and very precise results. Usually it takes quite a lot of time to adjust every line and to make sure that every other line works together as well. Please check out the other redesigned versions of the XM. I know they are not perfect, but it's anyway just for entertainment purposes. And in the comment section below you can let me know which proposal is the most successful for you. If you like the content so far, please hit the like button to help the algorithm to find my videos, and consider subscribing to my channel, as I'm planning to create more content in the future. Thank you for your support and see you in the next video.